total recall. Let's try to remember how to code, how to speak English, let's learn how to talk to the webcam, and learn some JavaScript by doing LeetCode exercises. I tried couple, did not like how I did the first one, not gonna go over it. The other one, I guess I did the standard one by converting to string, and I'll just go to the next one. I'm just doing easy ones because the goal is to just practice a little bit and practice in a language I don't really know well. Don't really know, I guess, which would be JavaScript. Let's see how that goes. So we'll be converting Roman to integer. Let's write the requirements. I haven't done this one before. Okay. Is this only for 4 and 9? Oh, 6. Okay. I guess we'll be splitting that string. We'll be splitting that string into an array of characters and processing them left to right. There are 6 special cases. And all other instances will just be converting using these. So maybe we'll do like a map first, define a map. This can be defined here before. Let's see. Const. Okay, how do you define? I guess just by doing this. And it will go like this. paste this here. This is 7 run. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so do alright, let's split it. If not, for these special cases, we could just go over in the array and just add according to this hash table, map table, whatever it's called in JavaScript. But then I guess we'll need some ifs. So it's minus 10 minus I. So it's this minus this. It's this minus this, and this minus this. Okay. We'll define some final result. Okay, we could do a regular standard C type for loop, but let's see if there's a any benefit doing it for each. I guess I'll just do regular one because I'll have indexes. Actually, it doesn't matter. Zero, 1, 2, 1, 9, I think. But what happens? So this is 4. If we hit this, no, we'll just maybe it's easier to do the regular to do for each, and then we'll skip. I don't know if this I guess it should work also. Let's just continue with this. So I was wondering if in this loop I will increment it not just here but inside of the loop, if that's gonna screw anything up, but I guess it shouldn't. Alternative could be a for each type of loop where I have a separate counter for index, which I could easily increment. Another way to do it, I guess, would be a while loop, while Roman array, and just shift values. I don't know which one is faster. If I had to guess, it would be this one, the regular C-style for loop. But let's try it. So we'll get the first. Let's do it easy way first. Oh, sorry. If maybe char is the I'll just call it C. I know it's supposed to be descriptive. Really don't like the long ones. Yeah, I didn't like the char because I don't know if it's built-in word or not. If it's is equals to I or equals to C or X, and I will assume it's all capitals or any assumptions here. Constraints. Definitely there will be one. It will be, I guess, the capital ones. It's guaranteed that S is a valid primitive. Okay. That's easy, I guess. If it's one of those, we'll do result equals, we'll do to decimal. Is that how it works? No, I guess. I think it's in JavaScript. It's this. Decimal. Wait. No, it's not how it's supposed to work. Plus one. If the no, that's right. If it's I, then we'll take the next one. Roman to wait. Oh, we need to check these also. So that's basically maybe we get rid of that one. So if the current one is I, and I'm gonna take this off just so it's easy to read, because we are guaranteed by the assumptions that it's gonna be one of those characters. It's gonna be a string. So the current one is I, and the next one is V. The next one is X. Is there a better way to write this? What if I just read two at a time every time? Let's do one way first and then think of a better way to do it. Man, I hate this. Oh, what? Just do this. It should. So if it's I and either next one is either V or X, if it's X, and the next one is either L or C. If this one is C, and either the next one is D, next one is either D or M, then we'll take the next one minus the current decimal value. Result will add the result. So I'll take, let's say, D minus C, 500 minus 100, that'll be 400. We'll add that to the result, and then we need to increment I. I know the semicolon in JavaScript are optional. It just feels more normal after Perl. So that's this. Is this correct though? Take this, we see this, we calculate, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, I hope it's right. We'll do else here. Else will just result plus to the current value. Let's see if this works. Oh, we need to return. What else? Oops, what's wrong here? And I need okay, yeah, so function, it's property. Oh, I got the wrong answer. Not a number. No. Is there a console output of some sort? I thought there was. Console. No. What? Ah, no number. How can this be not a number? Okay, let's check out what is this. Gives us 0. Not 0. Damn it. Not a 0. Button C. 100. So Roman to decimal, and we need to give it a oh, let's see what's going on. 1 to 3. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3. Why? Why is it 3? No. The input is 1, 1, 1. First time. I should just do this. Ah, damn it. So, let's see if this works. Wrong answer. Plus 100. Okay, this is 4, right? Oh, this can be right, that's not right. Damn it. D and M. Okay, so this is one way to do it. So I guess it's the easiest one. How else could I do it in a prettier way? I don't think. Let's see. If I would read 2 letters at a time and have them in the hash. So if it exists in a cache, in a hash, in the map, then we use it. Okay. Which loop would I actually use? Also one like this. Okay, let's try another way. I guess I'll move it into the, oops, here and do the solution 1. And let's do it another way, just to see if it's gonna look prettier. So we can have the same thing. Okay. This editor. X. Then I'll have Excel. I will have XC. I'll have CD, and I'll have CM, and it's gonna be 4, 10, oops, 10, 50, 100. Oh no, sorry. It's gonna be, okay, this is gonna be 90. This is gonna be 40. This is gonna be 9. It's gonna be 400, and this is gonna be 900. All right, and we'll still split. We'll still split. We'll still keep the result in separate variable, and I'll do a different kind of loop. Actually, okay, I'll do the same loop. I'll do this differently. So to read, I guess I could do substrings, or instead of splitting, but is that faster? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, anyway. Let's first check if from into decimal, and we'll do array I plus array. Oh, damn it. Let me set up. I plus 1. If this is that has the value, a value, then we'll do result equals to that value. I hope the lookups are fast. If this one exists, we'll add one of them. Okay, if one of these exists, we'll add that. Yeah, what I don't like about this, when we reach the end of the array, we're gonna be trying to look past the array. Of course, here we will need to plus. I guess we could check if I is array length -1. Then -2. Let me check it. What if it's -1? If it's the last one, then there's no point of checking this. All right. Else, we just do result this, result plus this. Wrong. Let's see, it doesn't exist, so all right, I'll do calculator. And it's 1000 plus CM, yes. So plus 100 plus X 10, XC, I guess, 90 plus 4, 94. What am I doing wrong? I'm going from 0 to the end of the array. So if where did you get 6? I didn't get 6. 1 and 5. So if it's array -2, I guess this area. So array minus length -2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. The length is 7. So when it gets to index 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it still reads 2. So index 5 reads 2, and then it does index plus 1. So this is index 5, right? Yeah, I think if I do this, okay. So that's another way to do it. It's slower, takes more memory for some reason. Well, let's do it again. What's going on? Why? Well, now it's faster. I guess it doesn't matter. It's plus minus. It's the same speed. This is an easier to read. Now, do we need the result? Yes, we do. I don't know how to make it prettier looking, to be honest. I guess that's it. Interesting problem. I liked it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. Tomorrow we'll do another one.